DailyDAVers, Alec and Daniel are here.
Hey, Davers.
We're at the EcoMotion's main event here in Tel Aviv. Super exciting. Tal is talking in the panel. We're meeting great people from all around the world, from the automotive transportation industry. Woo!
And I'm just following them around with the camera and trying to capture everything. And that will be it for now. See you next time.
Hi everybody. Today I'm working on Captain's deployment to the cloud in the separate containers. And that's it for me for today. Bye.
Hi guys! Yesterday I focused a lot on following up with specific contributors that had reached out, so I wanted to make sure that I got back to each of them individually. Today I'm getting started on my way to head to the EcoMotion event. It's going to be a big day of talking with potential partners, and Tav is going to be speaking on the panel. We're going to be supporting him, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So I'm sure you'll be seeing pictures and videos from that afterwards. And I'm going to get on my way. See you tomorrow.
Hey everybody, Joe Laparta here. Yesterday worked on the communication methodology, continued to build that out. Also worked on doing some mailing and communication to some of the market segments as it pertains to our community. And then also worked on some partnership work as well. Today also sent out a few different email blasts to different segments there, and then also continue to work on some advertising and some partnership work as well as we continue to march towards the KYC. Thanks everybody, have a great day.
Hey guys, nothing really new today. I'm still trying to get the simulation captain working and staging. So hopefully it's going to be done running by tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Hey there, Davers. So I'm here at the EcoMotion event, meeting a lot of really interesting folks from the transportation industry, a lot of tier ones, OEMs, startup, a lot of innovation happening here. It's really fascinating. I actually just finished speaking in a panel about future trends in mobility. It went really well. It was really interesting to hear what the other panelists had to say. You'll see a video of that really soon. I'll see you tomorrow.
Hey everyone, so today I've been working on some narrative material for a project that our own CEO, Noam, has just finished down in Sydney, Australia. We'll release some information about that fairly shortly. Also spoke to an advisor who's coming on board very soon. We can't announce that right away. There's a number of reasons for it, but very excited about bringing this person on board. And we have a couple of new DAV Alliance members that we'll be adding to our roster. Once the MOUs are signed, we'll be able to announce exactly who they are. So that's it for me today. I will see you guys next time.
Hi everyone. Today I'll make a few changes for our new beautiful homepage. And after then I'll plan make a few changes for images our social channels. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.